Today I'm truly living out my Guy Fieri dreams because I'm at Upside Pizza on the corner of Mulberry and Spring in Soho, New York City. I used to live just a few blocks away, and this is, in my opinion, the best pizza on planet Earth. And I cannot wait to show you and learn even myself what makes Upside's pizza so delicious. Let's head into the kitchen. Hey everybody, I'm Eitan Bernath, and today we're rolling out looking for America's greatest diners, drive-ins, and dives. Oh God.
Pizza time.
All right, I'm here with John of Upside Pizza. John, would you consider yourself a pizza master?
Yeah, I think some people would consider me a pizza master. I've been doing this for pretty much my entire adult life, so.
I would consider that a master, yes. I used to live in Soho, and I would come to Upside Pizza probably 3 to 4 times a week. It's my go-to slice. Your vodka slice is my all-time favorite slice of pizza I've ever had in my life. So I'm very excited to learn the secrets behind making some classic New York-style pizza. We're starting off with dough. Can you talk to me a little bit about like?
All right, so our dough is it's all sourdough.
Ooh.
So it's naturally leavened. It's a long process when we make it. We mix it for a lot longer than most places do. It's 7-minute mix, 30-minute rest, 7-minute mix, and then a 4-hour bulk ferment. The longer ferment is really where you start getting the flavor, once you get it into the oven and you cook it at a higher temperature, that's really when the flavor starts to show. A lot of places undercook it, and that's
yeah. You know when you get that like kind of like gummy, you don't want that. But with your pizza, it's always like the perfect, like crisp on the outside, but also spongy on the inside. Well, sourdough is the answer. God, it's so fun. I love making pizza at home, so I have a pizza oven at home, but it's nothing like this beast you guys have over here.
Yeah, this is an electric Pizza Master. It's the closest thing you're gonna get to a wood-fired oven. The faster a pizza cooks, the better it's gonna be, because if it takes too long to cook, then it starts to dry out. Mm-hmm. You lose moisture, and then it becomes very like bland and kind of like hard to eat.
Should I do it also?
Yeah,
awesome.
Go for it. So I start right here in the middle, and when you go down, like you're gonna feel like air going to the crust, and that's what you want. So you're gonna move the air to the front.
Oh my God, you're right, I feel that.
Push down, accent that crust.
Well, so you're really thinking about the crust immediately. This is, okay, I've never done that like this.
Flatten it out a little bit so it's even, a little flour on top.
Thank you, sir.
Flip it over, and you're pretty much gonna repeat the process. So once you get it to that point, you don't really wanna mess with it too much anymore. Then you can start stretching it. This is what we call a pizza peel. You kind of let gravity do most of the work here.
Oh my God, that looks like a stingray swimming through the water.
And the less you stretch it, the better. You want just gravity to kind of do it and let the dough do the speak for itself.
So we're gonna start with a classic slice?
Yeah, so this is gonna be a lot of people call it a margarita. We call it a cheese slice.
Cheese slice,
Some
got
people
it.
call it a regular or plain. We use our pizza sauce, which is very simple. It's infused with like a slow-cooked tomato, olive oil, rosemary, like.
Oh, rosemary, interesting.
This is,
what makes it so sweet?
We put a little bit of honey in there.
Honey, got it, okay.
This is the best mozzarella you can pretty much buy from Wisconsin. It's Grande mozzarella. This is our fresh mozzarella that we make every day in-house.
Wow.
And then this is Caciocavallo. It's an Italian cheese. It's you just put a little sprinkle of that on top of that. So we're gonna start with one nice full ladle.
Go. Oh, it's so satisfying. So you do a combo on this.
Yeah.
So that that just then it keeps adding flavor. And
yeah, it adds flavor, a little bit of a different texture.
Low
moisture mozzarella.
Wait, are we talking 3 cheeses?
We're talking 3 cheeses before it goes in the oven. Once it comes out of the oven, we're hitting it with Parmesan.
So can you talk to me a little bit more about this? So is this like Parmesan?
So yeah, you could grab a piece and taste it if you want. It's like Parmesan. It's got adds like a salty element.
Oh yeah.
So we just put a little bit on that for flavor. It's really not for like melting it.
It's very nutty.
It's really, yeah. So now I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna stretch it out. So I'm gonna go for the hottest spot, which I know is always right there.
Amazing.
Slide it in, and we're gonna let that cook.
All right, let's see if I have learned from the master here. We will swap spots. All right, so I've done that, and now it is time to let gravity do the work.
Yeah, try to turn it while you're going from hand to hand.
Whoa! Flour down first.
So that it slides off, and then you're gonna have, so this is the bottom part. You wanna have the top part
Oh. Okay, how do you know
on
the
top.
difference?
You kind of tell it's a little smoother on this side and a little rougher on
I
this
see what
side.
you're saying. All right, so how do we do the vodka slice?
Okay, I just gotta get my vodka sauce. We start with our
Everything.
regular pizza sauce, and we put a little bit of Calabrian chili paste. We slow cook it with a little cream, a lot of butter, and some garlic.
You're speaking my language.
This is a sauce on top, cheese on the bottom. Pie.
Oh, okay.
Regular mozzarella in
Then
there,
some
some
so
low
it's whole
moisture.
milk,
It's all low moisture.
low moisture. And now how do you spread? So you like,
A little bit at a time. Some dollops.
aha. Okay, got it. So it's the little Jackson Pollock dollop out here. Got it.
It's a piece of art.
I have a question. Do you ever get sick of eating pizza?
I do, but I try to eat at least one slice a day.
I heard one slice a day keeps the doctor away. I don't know if that's true.
That's true.
Might be an apple, but I think it's pizza.
Well, we got no apples here. All right, you want to slide this into the oven?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna bring this over and then I'm gonna hand it over to you.
All
And
right.
The trick is you want to just find your spot.
Whoa, there you go. Oh my God. So how long do you usually cook the pizzas for?
They usually don't take long, about 7 minutes. About halfway, I like to give it a look on the bottom, make sure it's looking good.
Oh, so nice, the warmth. What's your favorite slice?
I would definitely say the cheese slice.
Oh, the classic.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you're
Yeah,
a
you
classic
can't get
man.
tired of that.
Is our pizza? Oh my God, I'm like an impatient pizza person.
Give it some rich side.
Oh my God, that is seductive.
Oh, it's ready. Before we cut this, we let it rest on this perforated screen for about a minute. Because when you put it right on here, all that steam that came straight out of the oven is just gonna create moisture, and you're not gonna get a crisp slice. You're gonna get a floppy slice.
That's so smart because I feel like when you make pizza at home, a lot of times like you're just excited to eat it. Then if you cut it right away, it's soggy. It kind of then falls down.
Yeah.
And then the cheese is so wet that it like pulls off.
Yeah, and you notice it a lot when you get a, pizza for takeout and it comes in the box. It comes straight from the oven into a box. It's sitting in steam, and then when you get there, it's kind of, it's not.
It's soggy.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut this up. I don't want to keep you guys waiting.
Oh my God.
Parmesan straight from Italy.
Amazing. All over the top. So yeah, this is cheese number 4.
And there you go.
Oh my God, the smell. Whoa! Oh my God. Do you get this excited every time or just me?
When they come out this nice, yes.
Oh my God, wow. Oh, look at that bubble. Oh my God, I love that. Wow. This might be the best day of my entire life. To me, a good slice, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Who is gravity? Here we go, a little cheers. Pizza cheers. Oh my God.
Good every time.
That is a full body experience. You have that perfect pull of cheese, but at the same time, it doesn't pull off. Like to me, this is how I judge pizza. I want to hear how you judge pizza. For me, first off, can it stand? Does it defy gravity? Are we having a wicked moment? Yes, it's defying gravity. Next up, does the cheese pull off when you eat it? If it doesn't, that's good. If it does, then it's too, the mozzarella's too wet.
There's got to be a balance with the cheese and sauce ratio.
Exactly. Now, while we're eating, let's talk about it. You guys just opened up a ice cream store next door.
Yeah, right next door. It's actually, it looks like it's next door, but it's actually inside of here.
Oh, really?
On the other side of a wall. So it's soft serve ice cream, which is, I think, personally the best type of ice cream.
Agreed. And what's it called? I love the name.
So this is upside, that's soft side.
We're done.
Yeah, it's soft serve, cone cup, sundaes, milkshakes, all curated. I'm not an ice cream expert. I'm more of an expert at eating ice cream.
Agreed. Same.
So you'll find me on this side. They'll be on the soft side.
I loved pizza before, but I love pizza more now.
Yeah.
This was a transformative experience. Thank you so much, John, for having me.
Thanks for coming in.
I am just gonna sit here for the rest of the day and just watch you guys do your magic. Check out Upside and Soft Side here in Soho. I'm a big fan, and I think you'll be too. I genuinely mean this. This is the best slice of pizza that I've ever had. And if you think there's one that's better, come below. And I disagree. I have no affiliation with Upside, to be clear. I just am a very big fan, enthusiast. Thank you so much for having me. If you need us, we're just gonna, are we having a pizza eating contest?
Yeah, I think we got to
I
finish
don't
these.
know.